Are you looking to elevate your Chevy Silverado 1500 style and functionality? In today's video, we're diving deep into the ultimate game changer, the tonneau cover. Discover how a tonneau cover not only enhances your truck's sleek appearance, but also offers unbeatable protection for your cargo. We'll unveil top choices that promise durability, weather resistance, and sleek aesthetics, perfect for the adventurous spirit in you. From easy installations to sleek designs that turn heads, we've got the insider tips you need to make the best decision for your ride. Whether it's for work or play, you'll be ready to tackle any challenge. Don't miss out. Let's unlock the full potential of your Silverado 1500 together. Number 7. WEEye's soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover is the perfect accessory for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5 feet 10 inches, 70-inch bed, specifically engineered for a seamless fit. This cover not only enhances the appearance of your truck, but also guarantees durability and functionality. Made with double-layer PVC and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, it ensures long-lasting use while keeping your cargo safe from the elements. The unique roll-up design offers quick access to your cargo, allowing complete bed access when fully rolled up. With a heavy-duty hook and loop side closure, your load stays secure and noise-free. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, and all necessary hardware is included, although minor adjustments may be needed for over-the-bedrail bed liners. Backed by WEEye's commitment to quality, you can trust their support team for any inquiries or concerns. Elevate your truck experience with the WEEye's tonneau cover, a must-have for any Chevy Silverado 1500 owner looking for style and practicality. Number 6. Autosaver 88 has set a new standard with its soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover, specifically designed to fit the 5.8-foot bed of the 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 new body style. This cover offers a precise fit, ensuring seamless integration and enhanced aesthetics for your truck. The unique clamp design features a safety buckle combined with an aluminum safety rope that guarantees stability during your drives. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, thanks to the included instructions and mounting hardware. Simply fold the cover back to access your cargo effortlessly. Crafted from reinforced UV and cold-resistant PVC materials, it provides all-around protection against the elements, keeping your belongings safe from rain, snow, and harsh weather. Plus, its smooth appearance not only elevates your truck's look, but also improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind resistance. In summary, the Autosaver 88 soft trifold tonneau cover is the perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their Chevy Silverado 1500's functionality and style. Number 5. Penson 3-fold hard truck bed tonneau cover is the ultimate accessory for your 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado / GMC Sierra 1500, designed to fit perfectly with a 5.8-foot bed. This cover enhances your truck's aerodynamics and fuel efficiency while keeping your cargo safe from the elements and prying eyes. The robust hard panels offer exceptional security, while a weather-tight seal blocks out rain, snow, and dust, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. What truly sets this tonneau cover apart is its integrated LED lights for easy access during nighttime loading and unloading. Installation is a breeze thanks to a user-friendly clamping system, no drilling or complicated tools required. When not in use, the cover effortlessly folds away, providing complete access to your truck bed. Plus, with exceptional customer support and a solid warranty, you can invest in this high-quality product with confidence. Upgrade your truck today with the Penson 3-fold hard truck bed tonneau cover and experience convenience and security at every turn. Number 4. OED trifold truck bed soft tonneau cover is the perfect blend of style, security, and convenience for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra 1500 with a fleet-side 5.8-foot bed, engineered with a double layer of durable PVC. This tonneau cover guarantees excellent UV protection and impressive tensile strength, ensuring it withstands the elements while keeping your cargo safe from snow and dust. Installation is a breeze. No extra tools or complicated drilling are required. thanks to the pre-assembled, powder-coated rails and sturdy aluminum clamps. The included installation manual makes it user-friendly for anyone tackling installation alone. Additionally, its aerodynamic design helps improve gas mileage, making it both a practical and stylish choice. Transform your truck bed into a secure, trunk-like space with the OED Row Trifold cover. Ideal for anyone seeking a tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado 1500. Upgrade your ride today and experience the difference in quality and functionality. Number 3. Rough Country Hard Low Profile Truck Bed Cover for Chevy Silverado 1500/MC Sierra 1500 2019 2024 is a game changer for truck owners seeking both style and functionality. This trifold tonneau cover features a sleek, low-profile design with a textured black powder coat finish that enhances the overall look of your truck, seamlessly integrating with its tailgate lock for added security. Built from durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum, it's constructed to withstand the elements and offers a secure track and rail mounting system that includes drain tubes. Enjoy quick cargo access with its user-friendly design, featuring nylon straps that keep the cover secure while driving in the February 3rd open position. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, and all necessary tools are included to get you set up in no time. Plus, with trusted USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, you'll have peace of mind while protecting your valuables. Enhance your truck with the Rough Country Tonneau cover, the perfect match for your Chevy Silverado 1500. Number 2. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an exceptional accessory designed specifically for the 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. Crafted with a heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, this cover boasts a dual-coated finish that ensures durability against the elements. The patented design features sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps that facilitate easy installation, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your truck. What sets this tonneau cover apart is the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars that not only offer optimal support but also conveniently fold up, granting you full bed access whenever needed. Installation is straightforward, requiring no drilling, though a few minor adjustments are necessary for vehicles with over-the-bedrail bed liners. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, you can have peace of mind knowing you're covered. For those seeking a reliable and stylish tonneau cover for their Chevy Silverado 1500, the Tiger Auto T3 is a fantastic choice that combines practicality with high-quality materials. Number 1. Saddaloo's Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the perfect companion for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 5 feet 8 inches / 69-inch bed. With meticulous design tailored for model years 2014 to 2025. This cover features a cutting-edge password lock system that ensures your cargo is safe and secure. The sturdy aluminum slats combined with a matte dual-layer black powder-coated finish support up to 600 pounds, safeguarding your belongings from rain, snow, dirt, and dust. Its high-quality construction means no damage during installation, while built-in mounting rails and waterproof channels enhance functionality and aesthetics. Enjoy peace of mind during every journey, knowing your truck bed is protected against the elements and prying eyes. Moreover, Saddaloo's offers excellent after-sales service, ensuring any concerns you have will be promptly addressed. Experience the convenience and durability of the Saddaloo's Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, your ideal choice for a tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado 1500. In conclusion, installing a tonneau cover on your Chevy Silverado 1500 is a smart and practical choice, enhancing your truck's functionality and style. With a variety of options available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your needs. We hope this guide helped you understand the benefits and installation process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy trucking!